branded headset. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Boat Rockerz 550 headphone. The build quality fits really well on the ears, no gap over the ear headphone. After wearing for some time, you can feel little edges over here, which gets fine after some days. You feel little pressure over here and over here, which is fine. Really lightweight headphones and really good sound quality. We're into that in a minute. So the foam over here is really soft. As you can see, it feels like there's no foam, but there is foam. Here the foam is very less and you can feel the plastic over here. The build quality, it's full plastic body. Build plastic quality over here is really weak, but other parts it's good, and it has a mesh finish over here. Overall, really good build quality. So let us talk about the sound quality. The sound quality is really good, but the problem is if you have songs with vocals and bass, you can see that the bass is more and the vocals is less. It's like covering the vocals with the bass. So overall the speaker quality is good, and if you like songs like Pasuri, it sounds good, but if you have songs with vocals and beats, it'll get confused and start overlapping this music, so it doesn't sound that good. But overall the sound quality is really good for the price. I liked it.
Please subscribe to my channel if you want more updates on tech. 70% of you have not subscribed, so please subscribe, like and share, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.
So there are many color options. The battery life of these headphones are mentioned as 20 hours. Let me tell you, it doesn't come for 20 hours. At full volume it comes for 10 hours, and at medium volume it comes for 15 hours, and at the lowest volume, like around minimum volume, it comes for 20 hours. So the battery life is okay, not so good for the price. And what I didn't like most is that it had a micro USB charger. If there was Type-C, it would have been better. It's IPX5 resistant, so if you sweat near the ear cups, nothing will happen because it's IPX5 resistant. It has a band so that you can increase the height. When you release the band, you can feel that the foam is there. When you close it, feels hard. So overall, really good. The pause and unpause button, on and off button, volume up and down button, and the port to make it wired headphones, and the micro USB charging port.
Let's talk about the mic quality. The mic quality will be okay because the companies don't focus so much on mic quality. But if you talk loud and also walk, you can buy a TWS, link in the description. And if you sit and talk, which is not good for your health, note that. You can buy a headphone with a dedicated mic like my Lenovo IdeaPad H100 gaming headset or some other. All of the links in the description.
Pretty easy review, really good headphones. Conclusion: pretty good headphones for the price, under 2K, a really good build quality, really good sound quality, everything. If you're doing serious video editing or very high-end tasks, don't buy it. If you like music and like songs with vocals and beats, you can buy this. Really good headphones for the price. What I especially liked about this is how comfortable it is, and the sound quality is really good for the price. It's very hard to find these good headphones at this price.